So here's the question. In LinkedIn, how do I edit my headline? It's right here is your headline. This is my headline right there. 220 characters is what you can have there. I'll tell you another time if you ask me what you should put there. But how do you edit it? It's really simple to do on desktop. You go to the pencil. You scroll down here to where it says headline. You click in this box and you start typing. You can delete it all to begin with, or you can leave it there and get in the middle and make adjustments or whatever you want to do. You could also, if you want, you can put all that, write all that content in a Word editor or Word or Google Docs or, or a Notepad or whatever. Spell check it, grammar check it, copy and paste it in here. Bottom line, it all happens when you edit your intro. You go down to headline, and the way you get started is you click right here on your pencil. In the next little segment, I'll show you how to do it on a mobile device. Here's the question. How do I edit my headline on a mobile device? Well, I'm in the app right now. I can go to the home page, click on my picture in the upper left-hand corner, click on View Profile next, and there's my profile. And you can see right there in the middle, Guiding Humans of LinkedIn Presence. That is my headline. How do you edit it on a mobile device? Click on the pencil in the right-hand corner over here. Scroll down to where it says headline. You can click in that field right there and you can start editing. You could also have all that text in an email message and a note tool on your cell phone or whatever. Copy it all and from there, and you can paste it all into this box right here. Pretty easy to do. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.